Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how you can chat with random girls online for free. I'll be talking about two websites and both of them are completely free to use. Just remember, it's always a 50-50 chance, but you can definitely find girls to chat with. The first website is Omingle. When you open the website, you will see a simple interface. Here you can add interest tags to help you find girls more easily. Try to think like a girl when you adding interest and type them in. After that you can choose text or video chat. Allow your camera when asked and then you can start chatting. You will be able to find girls to talk to there. The second website is Ome TV. Just open the website and log in using your Google account. Then allow camera access and microphone access. After that, you can select the countries you want to chat with. Most girls are usually online from countries like Brazil, Mexico and the United States. Select one of these countries and start chatting. If you found this video helpful, so don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.